Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Tuidolo for his question, and I'll probably use it as an opportunity just to shed the House on some light on where government is headed in terms of potential in the agricultural sector. Firstly, sir, the turmeric is emerging as a significant export for the country. According to the Bureau of Statistics, provisional data, Fiji exports to the US, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Singapore, and Tuvalu. In 2023, it was around 24.8 million, with an export value in terms of volume of 3,216 tons. In 2022, it was 21.6 million, with about 2,500 tons. Before COVID, this export was somewhat quiet, and I believe during COVID, actually, the turmeric emerged as somewhat of a lifesaver for the agricultural sector, and was actually being exported to the US in quite significant volumes. Like the Ministry of Trade has a bit of a theory in terms of agriculture. If we can identify 10 exports that say generate about 100 million in terms of export a year, that's $1 billion in terms of opportunity. Turmeric is certainly one of those products that has that opportunity. To the question that was raised by the Honourable Tuidolo, it is a good question, Honourable Speaker, and talks to a great question about how we support non-sugar industry. Right now, the challenge with the farmers is that the price fluctuates, and so in terms of course, trying to maintain a living, ensuring that you get the right level of income from your effort, that has been a challenge with turmeric and some other products as well, sir. In terms of budgetary allocations, I know there's some allocations with the Ministry of Agriculture for turmeric, sir, but nothing to regularize pricing. But I'm sure the Honourable Minister for Finance will agree going forward, it is perhaps something that the government will need to consider if we are to expand other sectors in the economy. Sugar does get assistance in terms of pricing, and it's only fair that the other products, particularly products with good potential, get the same, get some level of support as well, sir. Certainly in terms of the Ministry for Trade, sir, it's definitely on the radar as one of the top 10 products that we're trying to sort of push. Of course, you know, at the moment, turmeric is grown wild, so there's a marketing around organic turmeric, which is quite attractive. But you know, there needs to be consideration around developing farms as well going forward, sir, so that we try and reach a greater target. Say we go for 50 million and then go beyond that in terms of export potential. Thank you, sir.